Do you think AI is just a hype, or do you see real ways it could make your job easier, more efficient, more effective as a project manager? Have you tried any generative AI tool? For example, to build a work breakdown structure, to create a risk register, or put together a list of user stories. Hello, my name is Dr. Prasad Kodukula. I'm a PMI fellow and a best-selling author. I'm going to present a webinar on 1st of August, sponsored by the Institute of Project Management. And I would like to welcome you to join me. In this webinar, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can apply generative AI tools, particularly ChatGPT. It does not make any difference whether you're working in a waterfall, agile, or hybrid environment. I'm going to show you specific tools that you can take advantage of. We're going to go over more than a dozen use cases. And I'm going to present to you various case studies in illustrating these use cases. The webinar is based on a book that I co-wrote with my good friend Gus Vinuesa. The title of the book is The Project Management AI Handbook. So in the webinar, we're going to walk you through every single major phase of a project management lifecycle model, including project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. The webinar is not about what AI can do for you. It's about what you can do with AI. The seminar is scheduled on 1st of August. What are you waiting for? Please go ahead and sign up. I can't wait to see you there.